So that's the birthday boy. Happy birthday, baby. His birthday is not until the 31st, but we're going out to eat today to celebrate with family and friends. So outfit check. He has a Nike sweatsuit, Old Navy jeans, and he's, you see it with his sweatshirt and fire. Now, as far as the mama, I have on some Adidas. They're very comfortable. Some Levi jeans. Wait a minute. Thought I had to sneeze. This cardigan from Old Navy. The necklace is from Shein, and the earrings are some gold hoops from Target. So, yeah, say we fly, son. Got the light in, but he's sleepy right now. So, we're going to head out early because the restaurant does not accept reservations. And so I want to be there when they open to make sure I have enough seating for everybody. So I will check in with you guys soon. Bye. Watch as my friend who I've known since elementary school slay my knotless braids. I'm so proud of you. And she is slicking down the edges. You see, taking her time. We love that. She has turned into an entrepreneur, and I definitely do support. So I'm getting my ends curled. You see the rollers are on them. She's moosing the braids down, so making sure all the hairs are in place and using Gots to Be. And now she's blow drying. You see the parts, precision. So I'm just waiting to get my ends dipped so the curl can come out lovely. And we dip, you dip, we dip. Hello. And this are the final braids. Love them. And this was 4 hours. Book with my girl Dia, Hustling Hands. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is T Exclusive. If you're new here, I hope you like my content enough to subscribe, thumbs up the video, like the video, turn on your post notifications, and of course leave a comment because I do reply. So I'm feeling pretty. It's a special day today. Today is my son's first birthday. Happy birthday, son. I love you so much. So I just got dressed. He spent the night with his Nana. So I'm going to pick him up and we're going to have brunch. I probably mentioned it previously, but we took him to his official birthday lunch with family and friends last weekend. So today it's a weekday. It's Wednesday the 31st. So it's his official day. So we're going to take him to brunch. Just more so just me, his man, and his uncle. So it'll just be the three of us. But later on we plan on turning up and opening his gifts that he got last weekend. And yeah, it's just all day for him. So I love you, son. Maybe in the future you'll see this video and that you're proud of your mom. I'm very, very grateful. I'm thankful. Oh, I'm emotional. I thank God for you. Regardless of how you got here, you're here. And January 31st, 2023 was the best day of my life. That's the day my life changed. So this is a open virtual journal entry, diary entry for you, baby T. I love you. We love you and cannot wait to celebrate you. So this segment is brought to you by BT Exclusive. Let's see what my purse contains. It's two things: Patron and lip gloss. That's all you need in your purse. Don't ever say I ain't teach y'all nothing. Meanwhile, see y'all soon. I'm going to go pick up my mom and the birthday boy. I have this outfit too. I'm going to show you guys later. But be back. Bye. Spend the day with me as we celebrate my son's first birthday. He's napping. We took him to brunch with my mom and my brother. So we are trying another egg cafe. This is the menu. And of course, since it's brunch time, we ordered the cranberry cocktail mimosa. And of course, coffee. And we ordered the picture of mimosa. Come on, aesthetics. Cheers, son. It's your first birthday. He's still asleep. But it was really, really good. Cheers. And then you talk about twin. Hey, Ma. Hey, Sunny Bunny. He finally woke up. I had the chicken biscuit. My mom had a traditional breakfast. And then my brother had shrimp and grits and cinnamon French toast. And we left and on to the next thing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tamaj. Happy birthday to you. Yay, and many more. All right, so you gonna blow out the candle?
Look at me.
Happy birthday, son. I love you. We love you. We love you, Sunny Bunny. All right, let's blow it out. Yay! Yay! Say, Turner, clap your hands. It's your birthday. Clap your hands. All right, we're going to give you some of your pancakes, okay? Baby, when I say I am pooped, I am tired, okay? It's a wrap for my son's first birthday shindig, weekend, weekday, birthday shenanigans. We had a great time. My baby is so loved. Ooh, his dad, his uncle, his nana, his TTs showed out for him. And of course, his mommy. But it's slow motion for me. Somewhere in this video, I'll pop in some pictures or some footage of his birthday festivities. Other than that, I'm going to bed. Good night. Hello. I don't know where I left off. Probably, the night of my son's birthday kickback gathering. I was tired. So anyway, happy Saturday. We just left a funeral service. It was a woman that we knew since we were kids. She was well loved. Beautiful, beautiful spirit just passed away suddenly. So that's something. So it's just love on your people. Love on your people. And if you got grudges, let them go. Because when God is ready for you, He is ready. Amen. But nonetheless, I look cute. I have the top on from Cider. Actually, the set and the video should be out now. That's featuring this outfit from Cider, but I love it. So right now, we in the hood after the funeral getting some chicken. If you don't have a hood chicken spot that you go to, you're missing out. Let me show you. Like I said, the hood. But the spot is called B&M Barbecue. It's the hood. But anyway, the sun is shining so pretty. Obviously my baby is in the back chilling. He's been tired and sleepy, finding his sleep. But I'm glad we got out. You know, it was a sad circumstance, but it's a beautiful day today. So I hope everyone is doing well, and we'll talk soon. Bye. All right, this is the wing snack pack from the hood chicken spot. I haven't had this place in years. Number one, because I live on a different side of town, but I'm about to smash. Okay, bye.